with another video. And today I want to show you this Chinese quartz just to make you see it's made in China. And this is the quartz movement, of course. And you might be wondering why I have this part which is longer. Well, I put that part because these hands don't want to put on. I mean, the minute hand don't want to put on. But anyways, now it won't. And it was running beautifully. Yeah. On the front of the clock, on the front of the movement, we can see some chrome dial and the parts for the hands. We can see in this for putting the hand, the nut, and the washer. Here's the washer and here's the nut. Yeah. And on the back of the clock, we can see this which is closing the movement so the parts don't get out of it. And here where we can put the AA battery, and this for the moving the hands. And I'm gonna put the washer and the nut on the clock, and then to put the AA battery. Yep. Now the hour hand and the minute hand. And the second hand. It's running now. So today I'm going to show you how to repair the clock. So I'm going to first take off the hand washer and the nut. And here's one clock that needs to be repaired. Yeah. And here's the movement. And here comes the washer and the hand nut. And now comes the hour hand and the minute. If the clock is open, we can just move the hands like this, but the best is on this and this. I'll show you, it works absolutely. See? And here comes the second hand. I almost forgot about it. It's a little bit big, but that's okay. But now we gotta set the clock to the right time. Alright. And oops. And the time is 34 is actually. There he is. And I have one more clock with the Chinese movement. So I'm gonna take it off for you. And here it is. See, I put the nut and the hand and the washer. So yeah, it was running fine, and it used the AA battery, of course. Same with this one, but the batteries are different a little bit. So yeah, see that same made in China, same back, but this is made to be a hanger movement. This movement does not. And also this movement have the longer disc for the screw than this one, and it got this bigger than the for the hour, but they have the same for the minute hand. But yeah, they're both running good. And yeah, that's it for now, and thank you all for watching. Be sure to like down to the comments and just that's it. Bye. See you later.